DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something every homeowner loves: affordable and stylish flooring options. Whether you're renovating a room or updating your entire home, we've got some amazing budget-friendly flooring ideas that you can do yourself. Let's get started. 1. Peel and stick vinyl tiles. First up, peel and stick vinyl tiles. These are incredibly easy to install and come in a variety of styles and colors. They are water resistant and perfect for high traffic areas, making them ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. Simply peel off the backing and stick it down. 2. Laminate flooring. Next, we have laminate flooring. This is a popular choice because it mimics the look of real wood or stone without the high cost. Laminate flooring is easy to install with its click and lock system, and it's durable and easy to clean. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and hallways. 3. Painted plywood floors. Looking for a truly budget-friendly option? Consider painted plywood floors. If you have plywood subfloors, you can sand them down, paint them with a durable floor paint, and add a protective top coat. This gives a unique and customizable look that's both affordable and stylish. 4. Cork flooring. Cork flooring is another excellent choice. It's eco-friendly, comfortable underfoot, and provides great insulation. Cork tiles or planks are easy to install and come in various patterns and colors. This flooring is perfect for living areas, offices, and even bedrooms. 5. Carpet tiles. Carpet tiles are versatile and easy to install. They come in squares that you can arrange in any pattern, and if one gets damaged, you can easily replace it without redoing the entire floor. Carpet tiles are great for basements, playrooms, and offices. 6. Vinyl sheet flooring. Vinyl sheet flooring is an affordable option that provides a seamless look. It's water resistant and comes in a wide range of designs, from wood to tile patterns. Installation is straightforward: just roll it out, cut it to size, and secure it with adhesive. There you have it, some of the best cheap DIY flooring ideas that are easy to install. Whether you choose peel and stick vinyl, laminate, painted plywood, cork, carpet tiles, or vinyl sheet flooring, you can achieve a beautiful, updated look in your home. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.